What is develops? The whales are starting to wake. U.S. funds in millions and billions are in flux. The buzz is unlike anything other. People shouting to stop these whales. Their behavior became out of hand. Neither is this a bull market. This is something much more expansive than that. But why am I feeling this great? Realistically, what is happening? And why today is a really momentous day for the whole crypto sector as well as for Shiba Inu. So let's investigate. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more shit news, be sure to click the like button. Today began with a startling development in the crypto sphere. An early Shiba Inu whale address that had been dormant for 2.6 years sprung up all of a sudden. Using wrapped Ethereum, this whale purchased almost 323 billion Shiba Inu in only 3 hours. Everyone was surprised by this unannounced action. For some time, Shiba Inu's price has been very steady, with little variation or significant adjustments. But the activities of this whale changed everything. The large acquisition resulted in a clear increase in Shiba Inu's price, which aroused the local population once again. Although uncommon, this sort of incident is really important. When a big holder moves, particularly one who has been quiet for so long, it usually generates attention and conjecture. People begin to speculate about what could come next, and that excitement increases trade volume and price. Still, here it becomes much more crazy. First seeing the behavior from this whale was Spot on Chain, a blockchain monitoring system. Fascinatingly, barely 8 months after Shiba Inu was first introduced, this address originally got 167 billion Shiba Inu in April 2021. These coins originated straight at the beginning from one of the very first whales engaged with Shiba Inu. One should give this rather careful attention. This whale is important as it is connected to one of the very first major characters in Shiba Inu. Early whales often have great insight and may have major impact on the market. Thus, it is rather significant that this whale, linked to one of the earliest major participants in Shiba Inu, is suddenly active once again. It generates fresh levels of conjecture and curiosity. Conjecture on Shiba Inu's possible future developments. This whale staked all the tokens in July 2021, 3 months after acquiring the 167 billion Shiba Inu. 3 months later, on October 24, 2021, he unstaked them and obtained further 12.9 million Shiba Inu. That same day, the whale sold all 167 billion tokens. With the price setting an all-time high, October 2021 was the final bull run Shiba Inu experienced. Therefore, the sell-off made sense quite a lot. Leveraging the high prices at that time, the whale cashed out at the top. The whale address fell silent after those sell-offs. Until today, nobody really paid attention to it. This address has come alive unexpectedly, as the bull market seems poised to explode. The whale conducted incredible 156 trades tonight at night, shifting millions to billions of Shiba Inu. First reported by Spot on Chain. Using over 1,000 wrapped Ethereum, worth $3.8 million, the whale had acquired approximately 150 billion Shiba Inu. The whale did not stop, however. He then bought another 173 billion Shiba Inu after the news. Almost 3 hours, the whale had exchanged almost 2,000 bundled Ethereum for 323 billion Shiba Inu tokens, valued over $8 million, at the conclusion of this purchasing frenzy. The whale hasn't sold any of these tokens as yet. At 323 billion tokens, his Shiba Inu balance right now is everyone has definitely noticed this abrupt reawakening. Fascinatingly, this whale's portfolio solely has Shiba Inu as a main asset. He has somewhat little other assets as well. Whether the whale would stick to his plan from 2021, when he staked his Shiba Inu tokens for 3 months before unstaking and selling them, is not known. Purchased 167 billion Shiba Inu for $600,000 back in 2021, he sold them in October for $5.6 million amid Shiba Inu's major surge. In only 3 months, this calculated risk paid off handsomely, $5 million profit. If he uses the same approach, he may hang onto his just acquired 323 billion tokens until the market bursts once again. Still, this action is unquestionably a positive indication whatever comes next. Usually, a whale's purchase of such a large quantity of Shiba Inu shows future price optimism. Even more intriguing is the fact that the behavior of this Shiba Inu whale exactly follows a more general pattern seen in the crypto market. Old Bitcoin whales have now begun acquiring Bitcoin for the first time since December. Based on the most recent Bitfinex Alpha report, Bitcoin long-term holders are purchasing once more, indicating a change in market dynamics as discussed in my previous video. Bitfinex's experts saw a clear rise in purchasing activity as the selling pressure from these investors has lessened. Right before Bitcoin ADS were allowed, in December, is the last time Bitcoin whales were gathering. That occurrence helped Shiba Inu treble in price within a few days and brought Bitcoin to a new all-time high. This implies that these whales have some smart observations, possibly even insider knowledge, about forthcoming market fluctuations. This current behavior of these particular whales might indicate another major market event just about to happen. Given Bitcoin whales' positive attitude once again, Shiba Inu's future seems really fascinating. Not to mention that Shiba Inu has a 79% association with Bitcoin. Hence, it usually tracks closely the price fluctuations of Bitcoin. And now things are really heating up with an elderly Shiba Inu whale joining the excitement. Big players starting to move generate a lot of buzz and conjecture. The fact that both Shiba Inu whales and Bitcoin are active once again points to maybe major price movement not far off. More purchase interest resulting from this additional activity may drive prices further higher. Whales buy in, and it's like a chains reaction. Confidence increases, drawing more capital and increasing demand. Thus, it is a strong indication that we could be about to see another major surge when we observe both Bitcoin and Shiba Inu whales becoming engaged once again. Still, this is just a tip of the iceberg. Today is a rather momentous day. With roughly $1 billion in inflows yesterday, Bitcoin ETFs marked the 16th consecutive day of inflows. Given the ETF's inception, this is the second largest day of inflows, quite insane. From 37K to 73K, the first wave of ETF inflows moved Bitcoin. Today, Wave 2 is just beginning. Investors and aficionados of cryptocurrencies are experiencing the buzz and enthusiasm never seen before. There is a lot of market buzz and hope these updates are generating. Strong institutional interest seen by the large inflows into Bitcoin ADS often drives prices upward. Everyone is on the tip of their seats, expecting another significant spike as both Bitcoin and Shiba Inu whales are active and main inflows into Bitcoin ADS. In the crypto realm, this is an exciting period when people are keenly observing to find out how high the prices might rise. Apart from all of that, here's an odd statistic. With Bitcoin under management, BlackRock just exceeded Grayscale, valued over $20 billion. Even more amazing is the fact that the Bitcoin ETF reached $20 billion in only 137 days, whereas their greatest ETF 3 years took. The gap is mind-boggling and speaks volumes about the hope for cryptocurrencies. Digital assets pique growing interest among traditional investors. The fast expansion of Bitcoin ETFs points to a worldwide trend toward acceptance of cryptocurrencies as a valid asset class. This demonstrates how the crypto industry is developing and becoming popular with investors all around and major financial institutions. Apart from all of that, Shiba Inu's activity has lately increased noticeably. In only 24 hours, the tally of new accounts shot by a startling 3,400%. New accounts on the network jumped from 30 to over 1,000 overnight, according to data from Shibarium scan, suggesting a significant user involvement increase. And now, is this just accident? Alternatively, are Shiba Inu investors getting ready for the possible bull run? They might be preparing somewhat pretty naturally. As more investors enter the market, this increased involvement usually comes before notable price swings. Imagine a busy city street where all of a sudden activity outside a well-known retailer picks up speed. People are gathering around, impatient to enter. You overhear talks of a much-awaited product launch or a surprise deal. Likewise, when crypto market whales begin to amass assets like Bitcoin and Shiba Inu, it's like seeing a frenzy outside of that business. Their behavior piques investor interest and expectation as it suggests that something significant could be occurring on the market. And when Shibarium sees a notable rise in new accounts, it's like seeing more and more people joining the throng outside the shop, ready to participate. Not financial advice, they are getting ready for the prospect of a bullish market, just as those enthusiastic buyers are ready to grab a fantastic offer. On that, however, what do you think? See below. Reading your point of view would be much anticipated. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.